Uniswap's UNI token has long been a central player in the decentralized finance DeFi movement, but can it realistically bounce back to $20 by the end of 2025? That's the big question on many investors' minds. While some bullish forecasts exist, the general consensus among analysts is that such a rally would require a perfect storm of positive factors. In this video, we'll break down what could support a major price surge, what stands in the way, and what would need to happen for UNI to reach that ambitious target. Let's start by looking at the factors that could potentially drive UNI higher. UNI is deeply embedded in the Ethereum ecosystem, powering one of the largest DeFi protocols, Uniswap Labs. If DeFi experiences a strong resurgence, UNI could benefit significantly. Some optimistic reports suggest UNI could close 2025 in the $10-12 range under bullish conditions. However, reaching $20 would require more than just a healthy DeFi market. It would take a robust crypto bull run, improved tokenomics, increased usage, and favorable macroeconomic conditions. Essentially, UNI needs a combination of strong market momentum and protocol innovation to even approach that level. Let's now examine the obstacles that make this scenario unlikely. Despite some positive factors, most analyst forecasts place UNI well below $20 by the end of 2025. Current price levels are far from that target, and achieving such a gain would require a 100% plus increase in less than a year, something that's unlikely without a major catalyst. The DeFi and crypto sectors still face significant headwinds, including regulatory uncertainty, macroeconomic challenges, and stiff competition. Even the most optimistic projections for 2026 only see UNI reaching $20.25, not by the end of 2025. Given these realities, the odds of UNI hitting $20 in the next year and a half are slim. But what would it actually take for UNI to plausibly reach $20 by the end of 2025? First, a strong macro and crypto bull cycle would need to return, with Bitcoin and major altcoins rallying hard and risk appetite coming back to the market. Uniswap Labs would also need to deliver significant protocol improvements or launch new products that drive usage and growth. Token-specific catalysts like a token burn, governance changes, or major exchange listings could help, as would favorable regulatory developments. However, UNI doesn't appear to have a severely limited supply, so a supply shock is less likely. In summary, while not impossible, UNI hitting $20 by 2025 would require a perfect alignment of bullish factors. Given all the evidence, the most realistic scenario for UNI by the end of 2025 is a price in the $8-12 range, assuming moderate bullish conditions. Only if the crypto market experiences an extraordinary rally with large institutional inflows and a DeFi revival could UNI possibly stretch toward $15.20. But for now, that remains a long shot. Investors should keep an eye on market trends, regulatory developments, and Uniswap's own innovations, as these will be the key drivers for UNI's price action in the coming years.